Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Egagasini, the wave of change from the 20th to the 24th of July 2026 on Monday. Senzo and Pume drift apart and grieve in different ways. Lwandle speaks up and finds an unexpected support at home. Rebecca is humbled when she is caught in her lie on Tuesday. Senzo's violent outburst on the golf course put a major distribution deal in jeopardy. Truth or Dare face harsh criticism that threaten their dreams of success. Secret about Rebecca's job loss ignite family tension and betrayal on Wednesday. The lead singer position of Truth or Dare has two best friends pitted against each other. Lwandle shocks her parents with an announcement that threatened to tear the family apart on Thursday. Lwandle pays a heavy price for her dreams when her parents cast her out. Senzo's attempt to rekindle his marriage fails, while Gogo shows the pressures Rebecca about her unemployment dilemma on Friday. Grief hasn't settled, but Senzo is already pushing for another child, forcing Pume to face the trauma she's tried to bury. Lwandle learns her image isn't hers to choose, and the show's storm in boldly claiming Sihle as their artist. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.